So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve LeetCode problem number 1929, Concatenation of Array. So as we can see the problem statement here. So here we are given an integer of array nums of length n, and we have to create a new array and answer of length 2n, where the first half is nums and the second half is nums again. So basically, the new array, that is answer, is just nums concatenated twice. So, as we can see here in the example 1, here nums is 1, 2 and 1. And what we have done is here, after the array is ending, we have again inserted the same array twice. So, let's walk through the code and understand how we'll do it. So, our approach is very simple. What we'll do is, first we will create an vector answer of length 2n, and then we will create a loop from 0 to n, filling the positions both I and I plus n in the vector nums. So let's start. So first we'll declare the size const n is equals to nums dot size. Then we will create a vector answer of size 2n, so that we can concate to. Then we will create a loop from I is equals to 0 to I less than n, then I plus plus. Then what we will do, we will fill the position of first I in nums I, and then again the position of I plus n in nums of I. And then we will return the new vector, that is our answer. Let's run and check. So here the time complexity. So here the time complexity is order of n, as we will loop through the array once and print the array. And the space complexity is here is also order of n, as we are using an extra space. We are making a new vector and array that is an answer of length 2n. So we are using an extra space. So here the space complexity is order of n. So this is it for problem number 1929, computation of array. If you have any doubt, please comment. And that is it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Yeah, wait for the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.